Your phone may feel smooth when it's new, but after some time, games start feeling heavier, FPS drops appear, touch becomes slower, and performance is no longer consistent. Most people think the phone is getting weak, but that's not always true. A big part of the problem is poor system optimization, background apps, and settings that waste your device's power. So in this video, I'll show you how to properly optimize your phone for gaming using safe system settings that can improve performance, stability, and responsiveness. No risky changes, no editing game files, no fake configs, just real adjustments that help your device run better. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to set up Shizuku for permission. If you want to learn how to set up Shizuku, watch my older video carefully, which will help you to understand it better. After completing the setup, give all the required permissions to the app you installed from the description. This is important for all features to work properly. Now open the app and allow every permission it asks for. Once done, select the game you want to play at a higher frame rate and with less lag. After selecting the game, the settings will automatically be applied to improve performance and stability. Now launch your game and enjoy smoother gameplay, better FPS, and reduced lag.